Hey guys, in this video I will be telling you guys how to create an account on Binance. If you do not have an app on Binance, do install it from Play Store or App Store, whatever OS you are using. Right here Binance and install it from here. Once you installed it, or click on Open, and this is how the interface will be. This is how the interface will be. So you let me log out from here. Yeah, so this is how it is. So how you can create an account of Binance? Go here, click on sign up. Once you clicked on sign up, you have two options: sign up with phone or email, or continue with your Google account. Let's sign up with phone or email. So here, if you have a referral ID, you can write it here. So this is how you can, from here you can write an email and password, and here you can write phone number and password. This is how you can create an account on Binance. So once you have created an account on Binance, you will have two modes. One is Binance Lite, and while the other one is Simple Binance. So what is Binance Lite? Let me show you. It is the same. All right. I think my internet connection is working well, but there is some issue in Binance app itself. All right. Let's try to change our internet connection and let's see if it works or not. Let's see. All right. Yeah, there is an issue in Binance app, not from my side. All right, so this is how you can create Binance account. um I like this mode. I will choose this one. All right, so once you write some email and password, you will get a approval request on your Gmail account. So click on that link, and vice versa. That's how will you create a Binance account. And same goes for Qcoin. Qcoin is same like Binance. You can create a account in Qcoin just like this, just like the way I taught you. It's not a big rocket science. It's so simple. This is how you guys can create an account on Binance. And one more thing, um, only install the official app from Play Store. Don't download it from any other website rather than the official one. But what I prefer is to download from here only. Like I went here on Play Store, I click play, I write Binance, and this is how it is. This is the app, Binance Buy RBTC. This uh, Otherwise there is another app, Binance Custody Store Crypto. You don't have to download this one, only download this one, Binance Buy BTCR 600 Crypto. All right. You will also have Binance Academy. Do ignore this one, you don't need this app. Only you have to install this one, Binance Buy BTC or 600 plus crypto, the 4.6 ratings. And let's see how much downloads. 50 million plus downloads. So this is how it works. This is how you can download Binance app and do crypto trading. And in another video I will tell you guys how to buy your first crypto. So yeah, that's enough for today. I will see you guys in another video. Have a nice day. Bye.